How to remove the silence in Capcut. This tutorial shows you how to cut out the silent parts of your video to keep your content tight and engaging on your Android device. First, open the Capcut app on your Android device. After that, tap on New Project and select the video you want to edit from your gallery. From there, tap Add to import the video into the timeline. At this point, play through your video and listen carefully to identify where the silent parts are. In the next step, tap on the clip in the timeline and drag the playhead to the exact point where the silence begins. Following this, tap on Split to cut the clip right at that point. Once done, move the playhead forward to where the silence ends and tap Split again to isolate the silent section between two cut points. From here, tap on the silent clip segment in the middle to select it. At this stage, tap on Delete to remove that silent part completely. After this, the two remaining clips will now sit next to each other on the timeline with the silence gone. Finally, play back your video to make sure the cut sounds natural, and repeat the same steps for any other silent parts throughout the rest of the video. And that's it. If this CapCut guide helped you remove the silence from your videos, give it a like, subscribe for more editing tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.